Hello, my beautiful flower friends. Shower bundles are a great alternative to regular bouquets, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make one. Shower bundles are made up of aromatic plants that release essential oils from the steam of a shower or bath. Please keep in mind that the plants I'll be using are toxic to pets if ingested, and if you're using different ingredients, please research them beforehand. I'll be using eucalyptus, which can relieve sinus congestion and inflammation, as well as chamomile, which is also anti-inflammatory and reduces anxiety. You'll also need some string to tie your bundle together and hang it. To prep my flowers, I'm cleaning off the stems by removing leaves within a few inches of the bottom of the stem. When you remove leaves from a eucalyptus branch, it will produce a sap. I recommend wearing gloves if you want to protect your hands. I'll also be removing leaves from the chamomile. I just find that the leaves don't last as long as the flowers. Since a shower bundle hangs against the shower wall, the flower arrangements only need to look good on one side. I'm arranging my bundle so that the eucalyptus is the main ingredient and the chamomile is a secondary ingredient. To secure the bundle, I'll be wrapping the string tightly around the stem and securing with a knot. Then I'll be using a longer piece of string and securing that to the bundle as well. This will be the piece that I use to attach to my shower head. You want to position your bundle close to but not touching the water. The steam will release the aromas and give you a spa-like experience at home. Depending on what plants you use for your shower bundle, it will last for a few weeks. But I find that if you keep it in a vase to hydrate when you're not using it, it can extend its time. Eucalyptus dries very well. It maintains its shape and color. So once your shower bundle has retired, you can take it apart and compost the flowers that have withered away and repurpose the eucalyptus for preserved bud vases or hang it in your home as decor. Shower bundles give you the most out of your flowers while still adding color and life into your home. I hope you gift a shower bundle the next time an occasion calls for flowers. Until next time, happy creating! Bye!